Welcome to another property we're putting on the market. Bunkers Lane, Batley, an absolutely enormous property. Front garden, rear yard, access down the side to the rear yard, two massive double garages at the back, 6 bedrooms, 2 en-suites, 1 house bathroom, 1 WC, kitchen, lounge. It's enormous. Please allow us to show you around. How spacious and how enormous is this property? If you'd like to view, give us a call 01 924 692240 or email us at hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thanks for viewing.